In this section, we are going to discuss another Newton method's quotient given the initial value, and we have to explain why this method fails here. Okay, so we are given the function and an initial guess. Let's start working ahead and see why it fails. The first and foremost thing is I'll just write down again the formula for the Newton's method. So for xn plus 1, we have xn minus f of xn divided by f dash xn, right? Now, what we need to find out here is the function and the derivative of the function. The function is given to us already, that is 2x cubed minus 6x squared plus 6x minus 1. And the derivative of the function would therefore be 3 times 2, that's 6, x, 3 minus 1, that's 2. Then we have here minus 6 times 2 is 12. And then here 2 minus 1 is 1. So I'll not just write the 1. And here we have 6x, so that would be 6 alone. That's the derivative. Now, before I start going ahead with the table, I'll just work for the first part here. So we have here to find out now, we have let's say for x2, using the formula of the Newton's method. For x2, we need x1 minus f of x1 divided by f dash x1, right? Now, here we have x1 is given to us as 1 here. So 1 minus f of x1. So if we put inside our function here 1, what will we get here? So if we put 1 here, what do we get? For f of 1, we get 2 times 1 cubed minus 6 times 1 squared plus 6 times 1 minus 1, and that will be 2 minus 6 plus 6 minus 1, and that's equal to, so this gets cancelled, 2 minus 1 is 1. All right, and then let's go ahead and find out what do we get for this one here, that is f first derivative of 1, right? So for that we'll get 6 times 1 squared minus 12 times 1 plus 6. So we have here 6 times 1 squared is 6 minus 12 times 1 is 12 plus 6. So here now we have 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, now if we place the values to our previous question here, the formula, so we have f of 1 is equal to 1 divided by f dash of 1 is equal to 0. Now 1 divided by 0 is not possible. It's undefined, right? So what happens here now is you can just say this is not possible. So because the derivative is 0, so this is undefined and it's not possible to solve this any further. So we stop here and we can just say that the method terminated because derivative of the function, or we can just say derivative is 0. And then you're not able to solve the calculation further, right? So yeah, that's the end of this task.